Good. In case Shiva Puja come, then let her in because she have the initiations. In case she not coming now, and I don't think she will come. But in case she come, then is accepted. So let we shall chant 3 times Om mantra all together. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahi Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvesavahi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Ganapataye Namaha. Om Aim Saraswataye Namaha. Om Klim Kalikaye Namaha. Om Klim Bhadrakalli Namaha. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Namah Shivaya. Hari Om. So, welcome today for the practical class of the Kriya Yoga Sadhana. And this class specially for the disciples, sadhakas who initiate into Kriya Yoga. And especially this class, the sadhakas who initiate by me, I specially teach to them today. So one thing you do, first you take the deep inhale and exhale, sit down comfortably where you are. And take first the deep inhale and exhale. And when you take deep inhale and exhale, do for 10 times. So after 10 times, what you do similar, but you have to do inhale through the normal, like breathe in, but when you breathe out, try to your breath has to be shallow, like contract with your Jalandhar Bandha. So breathe in, or you can do, then press Jalandhar Bandha, then breathe out. That you do also for 5 times. Right. So after what you'll do is very simple. These are 2 techniques, but this technique is very important. It's called Kriya Pranayam. Today, I have no proper voice to explain you. So other time I'll explain properly. Then what you do, and one kriyas, there are actually 2 kriyas. Let me to explain a little bit. That is called Navi Kriya, is the awakening of the Manipura chakra. And at the same time, it will help you also and free from all kind of fear, the afraid, the insecurity. That brings strong result, strong determinations. So what you'll do, you'll sit down comfortably and you'll go your Muladhara chakra, then Swadhisthana, Manipura backside, and then Anahat chakra, then Vishuddha chakra, all the way to Bindu, the backside. Then come to eyebrow center. And you go through the Om, but don't jump with the chakras. You have to go through the spinal cord, Muladhara chakras and Om. Go second chakra, Swadhisthana, Om. Third, Manipura chakra, Om. Anahat chakra, Om. But backside, not the front side. So go through this and up to the Bindu. And after that, you go straight to the eyebrow center again chakra. And after that, you press the head like this, Jalandhar Bandha. Then don't go any chakras. Directly go to the Manipura chakra. Chant mantra Om. Normally, we can do today only 10 times. Or you can do actually, let's do, because that is the equivalent, like as per the technique, you have to 100 times. Then after that is 1/4, you have to do backside of the Manipura chakra. So once you chant to Om, like you say, Om, Muladhara chakra second, Om, Swadhisthana third, Om, fourth Om, fifth Om, sixth Om, and then here. After that, you'll be chanting 100 times, but today you don't do 100 times. Let you do only 8 times. Very simple. And after 8 times, do 2 times Om. After that, you have to release like this. After releasing like this, so you have to directly bring attention from Agya to direct to the Manipura chakra backside, awareness. But don't go to the spinal cord, just aware. Then chant 2 times Om. Then again, head relax. Then go back Om, go back Om. Then go to backside to the Manipura chakra. The Muladhara chakra. Then finish. This is your technique. But other time we'll do elaborately, but today we'll do short techniques. Okay, just one time, just check. First, now everybody close the eyes. I'll explain you later, not today. Now chant mantra Om, Om Muladhara Chakra. Then pass through spinal cord Om Swadhisthana. Om Manipura, backside on the spinal cord. Om Anahat Chakra. Om Visuddhi Chakra. Om Bindu and Om Agnya. After that, perform the Jalandhara Bandha. Develop awareness of the Manipura Chakra, the Navi, the navel areas. Center of the navel. Chant Om. That you have to do mentally. But today, you can chant loudly. But generally, the Kriya has to be done mentally. So chant Om 8 times. Om, 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 Om. This is 8 times. Now slowly release your head. Release your head, look me. Like a little bit up. Not so much pressure, but relax like this. Then directly to back side of the Manipura Chakra. Especially from navel, straight. Back side Manipura. Chant Om, Om 2 times. Normally you have to do 1/4. If you do front side 100 times, then 25 times back side. Then relax your head like this, normal positions. And after that, again chant Om, the eyebrow center. Then back to Om, then Visuddhi Om, through spinal cord, then Anahata Om, Manipura Om, Swadhisthana Om, then Muladhara Chakra Om. Now, so this kind of kriyas you do generally 100 times, chanting front side, the Manipura Chakra, back side 25 times. So that you can do at least for 3 minutes, even you can do 10 minutes. But how to remember the Om 100 times? So you have to keep some beats, or you can use the fingers, right? So that you can study later. So that will be, this is the new techniques. And this is the new, this is actually Manipura Chakra, but it's differently they're teaching. And that is the very important kriyas of the authentic Babaji kriyas, which is unknown to the people. Because everybody have their own style of the kriyas yoga. You understand? You go different schools, and everyone has the different. But we have nothing to compare. Kriya yoga always comes with the guru, how they guide you. Understand me? How they enlightenment you. Am I clear that? Like we study Surya Namaskar. You go to different schools, they have different styles, right? So now, after that, Yoni Mudra. So this is very important mudras. So what you do? And Yoni Mudra like the same. You have to close the ears. And then what you do? And you have to again do. Like Om, the Muladhara Chakra, same. Similarly, you have to walk until Om, Muladhara Chakra, second Om, Swadhisthana, same thing. You will Om until Bindu. Then go to here. Then you breathing in. Understand me? Now watch me. After breathing in, you will close the nostrils. After closing nostrils, then you have to chant Om, Om, only concentrate on the Ajna Chakra, mentally. Om, 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 mentally. So, only you can mentally do like this. Look. And you can Om, then after that maybe breathe in, and they again chant Om, Om, Om. Just concentrate the eyebrow center, the Ajna Chakra. right? So let we shall go. So please sit down again. So now let the practical. Now you can close the ear like Yoni Mudra do, but only the difference is chant Om and rising your energy all the way to back of the head bindu, then go to eyebrow center again chakra and close the nostrils. Then mentally chant Om, Om, Om. Then release the breath. Then again chant. Then breathe in, again you chant Om, 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 Om. How much minute? Depends on you. Understand me? Like this. Om, 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 Om. But when you cannot chant Om, actually open the mouth because you need to close the nostrils, chanting Om mentally. Now, just everybody close the eyes. Really the all practice. Bring your whole attention to the eyebrow center, the Ajna chakra, and simple witness. Silence for 5 minutes. Witness of the whole body. And when witness, observe your breath, the incoming and outgoing breath. And you may listen the sounds of mantra as a Om, or you may take that as a Soham. Better witness mantra Om when you listen the sounds, the sounds of the breath. But it's very important. You take deep inhale and exhale for 2-3 times after that natural breath. Listen the sounds of the breath, observe the breath, and witness of yourself. Now, the start meditations, dhyana. So now, gently bring your attention to your breath. 3 times Om Mantra all together. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyati Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyati. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. So now rub your palms. Keep your palms and close your eyes. So today will be this much, and because I'm also not feeling very good, so I wish all the best now, because my tongue is not very good today. Because maybe some stomach or some acid, I don't know, is happening. So I hope I need to have the good rest, and I would like to have good rest for all of you. Thank you all of you. Yeah.
Thank you, Swamiji.